Welcome to Jamtastic. Hey there! I'm so glad you could join us today. One lucky viewer is about to walk away with this incredible prize. If you've bought a ticket, good news! You're in the running! Now, you might see some names scrolling down the left-hand side of your screen. That's just a handful of today's entries. But don't worry if you don't see your name. If you purchased a ticket, you are in this draw. Every ticket you buy means better odds of you winning. All right, here's how it works. When I press this button, all the entries, represented by these colorful little balls, will drop from the top tube and into our Jamtastic machine. Then, the machine starts spinning until one lucky ball is finally chosen. That ball will hold the name of today's winner. Okay, enough talking. Let's get started. Here we go. Round and around, spinning like crazy. Oh no, now I'm dizzy. Look at them go! I think they're starting to slow down. We have our Jamtastic winner. Let's see who the lucky person is. Congratulations to our winner. A member of the Jam Donut team will be in touch to give you your prize. A huge thank you to everyone who participated. We truly appreciate your support and wish you the best of luck in our future competitions. Until next time.